Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I am Dewi Skar Kencono. Will present our community service program for this conference, third ICCS at OMY. Our title for this community service is Enhancing of Flood Disaster Resilience in Early Childhood Education through Interactive Learning Case at TKI Birwalidain Plupuh Sragen in Indonesia. The programs came from internal funding in OMY using scheme from PPM Sekolah Muhammadiyah. And the leader is me, Dewi Sekar Kencono from Department Government Affairs and Administration, Visipol OMY. Our team member, uh, um, Professor Azam Sukur Rahmatullah from Master of Islamic Religious Science, Graduate School AMY, and second Dr. Pinta Astuti from Department Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, and our community service partner from UNISA, Miss Nur Fitri Mutmainah from Public Administration Study Program, Faculty of Economic, Social Science, and Humanity, Universitas Aisyah Yogyakarta. Uh, First of all, our background is Indonesian highly vulnerability to natural disasters, particularly flooding to its geographic location along major rivers, basic like the Bengawan Solo rivers. Young children, especially toddlers under six, are particularly at risk during such as there is a significant lack of their disaster risk and reduction, or we can call DDR. Education for early childhood setting. The study will address the gap in DDR education for preschools and recognizing their potential as activities participations in their safety and the important engage in its appropriate education and approach. For the object of research, the aim primarily of this research is qualitative with case study to implementation and evaluation interactive play-based DDR program focused on flood preparedness for preschool age children in TK Purwodadi Proboh Sragen. The study seeks for the explore specific effectiveness and of methods such as evacuation simulation, education games, and storytelling in engaging children in understanding of flood risks and safety procedure. For the targets of the and scope and research, the research focus on interactive disaster risk education, we can call TDR, and this target is for preschool. It's around 4 until 6 years old in student in TKIU Birwalidaini from January until March 2025, and it access at children engagement, understanding, and participation activity like safety, evacuation, games, and creative storytelling offering and insight for future initiative. For these methods, research approach, we use qualitative study and case study and explore the implementation perceived effectiveness, also how to approach chosen again in a deep understanding of complexity involvement, the program's execution, and experience of stakeholders. Researchers aim to highlight the best practice and improvement in DDR education and preschool, focusing of to specific content of a community vulnerable of flood. For the data gathering and analysis, we use observation and analysis of program documentation, and then we made a simulation using storytelling, education games, and evacuation simulation. For the data analysis in qualitative thematics, we use conduct the synthesis information from the collecting data, and we identify the focusing of children engagement, understanding, and participation. For the finding, uh, disaster risk reduction education for program for preschool children in Indonesia. For the first is utilization, evacuation simulation, education games, and storytelling for the approach in preschool age. Second, increasing children's awareness and understanding in disaster preparedness. And third, encourage active participation in activity. Their activity every day or weekly. We can make program, and then highlighted importance of appropriate TTR education in early childhood curriculum. And five, suggest for future research from long term impact assessments, maybe around 5 years until uh, so on. And the recommendation is systematic curriculum integration, teacher training, and community involvement is such as you stakeholder. Also, the parents will meet the commitment for the next future. On the conclusion, the study highlight the implementation of interactive disaster risk reduction education program for preschool children at TKEU Biro Bidadari Sragen in Plupuh, and focusing of the food preparedness, utilizing play-based methods such as an evacuation simulation, education games, and storytelling. The program successfully engaged young learns and fostered their understanding of disaster risk and safety procedure. Um, we made that operational data in this observation and increase the awareness and participation among the children before and after post test. We made that recommendation integrating DDR education in the curriculum, also providing teacher training and involvement parent and the community in change the program impact. For the future research, should focus on long-term effect and also development of culturally relevant education resources to be prepared children in disaster. Here, that's our program documentation. The first is our student when after simulation, after together simulation, and this set hand, right hand, right side. This is headmaster and giving the grant to headmaster, and this is the collecting picture that we made when the community development. Thank you. This is our finished presentation. UMY ada masyarakat berdaya. Thank you for everyone. Wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.